Welcome to the fundraiser for the Streetz.
Now, who are we playing this game?
All right, cameras are rolling. Quiet, everybody. Quiet.
Gotta lower the music outside.
Take one.
The music. It's on outside. It's got to be off. Yeah, I can hear it perfectly fine in here.
Just tell them to lower it. Tell them to cut the music. Tell them to cut. Okay, here we go. Ready? Come on, everybody. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey guys, this is Dan Romano from the Dan Romano Show. We're here live at the Beach Club in Ronkonkoma, one of the prettiest, amazing places you're going to find. And I am here to talk about a wonderful thing called the Streetz Explosion. It is going to be an unbelievable, amazing twist of a movie made by Eddie Rock Rivera. And with me today, I have one of my special guests and star of the movie, Mr. EVGA. You're a pretty handsome looking guy. Now, I have the honor of working with Hanson in this wonderful movie. This is well, how would you describe the Streetz without giving too much away?
Without giving too much away. It's kind of like a combination of a new Scarface with the current sexy action twist.
I like that. That's a fucking great compliment.
This is the phenom Charles Hamilton next season. Hashtag. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Fine and dandy.
What were you doing today?
DJing, accompanying some independent acts. You know,
Having fun?
I do what I love what I do. I, make music. I love what I do what I love, and I'm trying to stay as consistent as I can.
And where are you from?
Moved to Queens, spent most of my life in Harlem, moved to Brooklyn. Then teenage years I was in the Bronx, then I was on the street.
Okay, well you're trying to, and you're gonna quit smoking, right?
At some point in time.
Good, awesome. It was a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Intothehamilton.blogspot.com. Google search Charles Hamilton. Yahoo is optional.
We got Los and OB.
Alright.
Rock the mic, y'all. Here you go.
Yo. How's everybody doing today? We go by the name of Los and OB. I hope y'all like it. This is called reggaeton, just for y'all like to move it around a little bit. This is our up and coming new single we got right now. We have never put
in the house, my cousins, my brother, everybody say hello to my family. Hey! Yeah, Charles Hamilton behind the wheels. In case you guys don't know, he was the one that did the record with Rita A New York Raining and the soundtrack for Empire. Bringing it today.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to first of all thank all of you for coming out. I know we've done it a bunch. We're going to keep doing it because it's very important. The support and love for the movie is very important. So give yourselves a big round of applause one more time for coming out tonight and helping us get this movie up and going. We have kicked it off already.
She passed away 17 years ago of cancer. So, whenever you're ready. I'm not getting too emotional. Me levanto llamando tu nombre, llorando lágrimas pensando en ti. Me siento tan vacío sin tu sonrisa. El sol no brilla más, no sé qué hacer. Madre, tú siempre has sido mi fortaleza.
Like you feeling when you feel it in your heart so much passion comes alive. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be standing by your side. If ever you need me, don't you worry, you can always count on me. I'll give you my love, I do all I can. Just say you love it right now. A fucking good time never hurt nobody. All right, guys, that's not my song, but I'm trying to make it okay here. Sorry.
There you go.
Come on, you got it.
And forevermore, that's how you'll stay, that's how you'll stay.
Come on.
Like a song of love that sings to me. Oh, the thought of you does things to me. Never before has someone been more.
Yeah, girl, come on. Let's go.
Unforgettable in every way. Thank you so much, let's break the day away, someplace where we can stay. If only for a while, I'll be yours and you'll be mine. Come with me right away, make you my getaway. Lost in the sands of time. Used to be broken down. I swam I made it to the shore. Mountain, mountain, I'm not looking back no more. I used to be afraid of the mud. What to see now, no.
Everybody inside, nobody outside.
Hello everybody, nosotros somos Los en Obi. Un saludo para
JoeteckTips, baby.
ya tú sabes que es la que hay. Siga nuestra música en Los en Obi Music, Instagram, DM Music TV en YouTube, mi gente. Estamos activos. Stay tuned with Los en Obi. Amazon, Spotify, iTunes, everywhere in the media you can find us. Stay tuned.
Look for us, baby. Beautiful. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you
brother.
very much.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it. Sir. Appreciate it.
Say
that slow because if not, I would have.
Hungry, I'm hungry for your love. Y'all gonna sing with me? Come on. Hungry, come on.
Hungry for your love.
Come on, sing with me. Come on. Hungry for your love. Hungry, yeah. Hungry for your love. Hungry for your love. You guys ready? DJ Charles Hamilton, drop that guap. Come on, you ready? Let's go.
So very special to me when your body's moving. Your lips like candy, so sweet and also soothing. I've been waiting all night for you to come. I'm infatuated by you. May I please have some? Your seducing smile, I want you so bad. I'll be worth your while. The best that don't you ever have.
Quiet on the set. Camera's rolling. Sound rolling. Sound's rolling. Keep that boom up higher. Make sure it's nice. Pictures up. Quiet on the set. Scene 10A. 7 shot. Take 7. And action.
Tony, great. Wow.
You did amazing. I can't believe you put all this together.
Wow, that was an amazing show. Oh my God. Thank you, Princess. That means everything. No problem.
Perfect. Okay. Let's take it back to 1. Quiet on the set. And sound rolling. Sound's rolling. Camera's rolling. Quick. Scene 10A. 7th shot. Take 8 and action.
You were amazing. I can't believe you.
Yes. Look at what. That was an amazing show. Oh my God. Thank you, Princess. No problem. That means so much.
You know, can I just say something? It amazes me how people don't get how the world intertwines, and you know, the medical field and the politicians and the churches, they run everything.
My friend,
everything.
The mob, we run the.
Okay, all right. Thank you for having me, guys. Have a
You
good
are
night.
amazing tonight. Thank you for being fabulous.
See, I want to get home safe. That's all. Good night, guys. Good night.
Have a go. You didn't put it on, did you?
You know what? I wouldn't do anything without your permission.
And cut.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Danny Rivera. I'm an anti-bullying advocate for New York State. How's everybody doing?
Wow, anti-bullying. Now that's cool. I actually did a video on anti-bullying. It's actually, it hits home. So go knock yourself out, man.
No, but what's the video about? I want to actually go see it.
Oh, it's just a vlog of today.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Nah, I think you did a great job. You know, a lot of the performance. I can't believe that weather, man. The weather's
so freaking hot.
I was performing, right? And yes, it probably went like my other. Every time you come, I always slip up my words. Now, performance went good. You know, I was actually happy with the outcome of all the people. You know, we got a positive cast. Everybody's great, and you know, we all work together.
Yes, it's awesome. Drink up.
Yeah, man, it's hot.
I am sweating. I can't wait to go home and jump in the pool.
What? Nice. Where are you from anyway?
Selden.
Oh, so you're right next to my house.
What?
I'm in Farmville.
Dude. You're like around the corner.
Yeah, man, God bless, man.
Yeah, God bless, man. It was great. I loved your performance today.
I know. It was kind of hard to hear because of the sound, but, you know, there's nothing that you can do. Hopefully the message got there, so that's all I need to say. You know, all the kids, the role models, the kids that listen. That's it, man. I know you see my crate. I call him my cousin, but you talked to my cousin before. I was telling you, I'm like, yeah. He's one of the big dogs.
Beautiful. It was a pleasure meeting you.
No, pleasure meeting you.
Take care, man. Yep.
See y'all later.
Hi, I'm Richard Kern. I'm one of the directors of the Streetz, also a producer. We've been doing a great job today. Everybody had a great time here at the explosion there for the Streetz. We raised a lot of money. Everybody had a good time. We had a lot of great performance here. But yeah, I am one of the directors. They did a few scenes today, and we also had a big party that a lot of people came to. Thank you everybody that showed up. It was a great time. All the talent was wonderful. And we're going to keep shooting more scenes. And Streetz 1 will be out very shortly. And we'll be moving on to other projects. So
awesome. Well, thank you very much. Thank you.
Have a great night, everybody. Peace out, world.
Hey, everybody. What's going on? It's Eddie Rocky Rivera, director and writer, editor of the Streetz.
You come over here.
I want to thank everybody who came out tonight. We had a very nice time. There was a lot of people, a lot of entertainers, and it looked like everybody enjoyed themselves. I definitely want to thank Lowe's, who did a great job. I want to thank Danny. I want to thank Charles Hamilton. I want to thank Sammy. I want to thank Sapphire. I want to thank Jose Torres. I want to thank Bell. And of course, like I said, Hanson. So
Star Hanson?
Star Hanson. I also want to thank John Butera, because he was the host. He did an awesome job. I want to thank Sharon. I want to thank all the different people that actually worked for us tonight, the project. I want to also thank Richard Kern. Did an excellent job, like he always does, as a comedian. As everybody knows, I am so tired.
Yeah, you look at that.
I'm going to thank you, Tech.
You're welcome.
I'm going to leave it there. And all the people from Staten Island, Bella, Annette, Sapphire, Brittany, Tito, everybody that was there, Jules, everybody that came, and Michelle Francesco's and Nick Francesco's. Michelle is my best friend. She's been my best friend forever. That's it. My family, they all came. Thank you very much.
Met your mom too.
So tired.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Have a good night, Eddie. Take care.
Wow, Eddie, we did it. The night is over.
Tired.
Incredible performances.
A lot of great artists tonight. Everybody came. It was nice.
A lot of love.
My family came. It was a good thing they came out.
A lot of support.
Yeah. My cousin came all the way from Florida.
Wow. Holy mackerel.
Seeing Michelle was wonderful.
Yeah. Michelle, my best friend.
Yeah.
Staten Island and that.
And Carmine, and everybody did
Bella and all of them from Staten, they came out. Sapphire, Annette, Tito, Jules. It was funny it was actually funny to be on stage with Danny. That was hilarious with my son.
Oh,
When I
okay.
performed
Oh,
the
yeah.
one song, that was funny.
It's like you guys rehearsed it.
No, we don't ever rehearse. We just.
I know, but you look like you planned it.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, I guess. I didn't get to see the performance. A lot of people said it looked good.
now.
It was a nice cake.
Oh my God!
Did you see pictures of
Did you even
They
taste
surpri-
it?
Yeah, they surprised me with the cake.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't know the cake was coming, but that was great.
I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, that was
Well,
awesome.
Windows, we made that, yeah.
Yeah.
This morning.
Do you have
As a
any
matter of
T-shirts
fact.
left?
The cake
Yeah,
was the
yeah.
cake.
Have an extra large?
Yeah.
The cake was awesome.
Yeah.
It was awesome, and like I said, everybody enjoyed themselves. That's the main thing, they enjoyed themselves. They had a great time.
You have a great family.
Everything went well.
Regular family and
Nobody got
extended
nobody got out of hand. The cast is, like I said, everybody that supports us is amazing.
Yeah.
Look at Albert Gomez, came all the way from like PA. That's how far he is, pretty
Yeah.
much in there. You know,
Wow.
so
The people
that
go the
comes to
distance.
show you. And Kenny, that little kid Kenny,
Oh,
the
okay.
Asian guy, let me tell you, I love that kid. That kid comes and he's always prepared. He's ready to go. Frankie's always ready to go. And that, we had Bella's friend Lisa too. She's really good as well, so.
When's it gonna? How do we get to see the movie Streetz 2?
Well, Streetz
2
2
is still in the making.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about that. You see the director's cut either August or September. That's finished.
Okay. Oh, the regular Streetz.
The Streetz 2 director, the Streetz 1
Right.
director's cut.
The original.
That is the original now movie
And how do we get to see that?
from when we did
We're
it.
going to do premieres. We have
We're
premieres
gonna
coming up.
premiere
We
in
have
the
a
theaters.
premiere August 17th.
We're gonna
It's
do it
one
in the
day.
theaters.
Yeah.
Oh, we're actually in theater.
They're gonna be in
theaters.
theaters.
Oh, really?
Actually movie theater,
Right.
yeah.
All the
Are they only going to be on Long Island, or are they going to be all over
No,
there?
they're going to be all over.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
City, Manhattan.
Well, thank you for
Well,
your love as well.
Yeah,
Oh,
thank you
my
for-
pleasure, my
for
pleasure.
Your work and everything. That's
Yeah.
great.
Thanks for having me.
On that note, we're gonna end it.
Yep.
I'm tired.
Yes.
Peace.
Have a great night.
Yes.
Peace out, everybody.
Much love.
Take care.
Much love and thank you, everybody, for your support.
Yeah.